Students, this is the fourth lecture of the chapter Rational Numbers. In this lecture also we will continue with representation of rational numbers on number line. This is type 2. As I said in the previous lecture, we will start type 2 today. Now what is type 2? Type 2 is when numerator is greater than the denominator. Alright, so let us take the first example very quickly. So first example is 12 by 5. Alright, so this is the first type when numerator is greater than the denominator. There is another type, mixed fractional values also. We will come to that later. So numerator is greater than denominator, 12 by 5. So the first thing that we have to do is we will have to convert it into a mixed fractional value. So 12 by 5, if you do the conversion quickly as you have learned, it will be 2 by 5, isn't it? So 2 by 5. So we know a fractional value is a whole number, right? A whole number or a natural number and a proper fraction. Both together make up a mixed fractional value. Now, what will we do in this case? First, we will have to see whether the rational number given is a positive rational number or a negative rational number. So 12 by 5 is a positive rational number. Now we convert it into the mixed fraction type. So 2 by 5 is what we get. So from here we can understand that where we will have to represent it. So in the previous case we used to represent it between 0 and 1. So will this also be represented between 0 and 1? No, it will not. It will depend upon this whole number that is present. So 2 by 5 is there. It will depend upon this 2. Right, so whatever value is present over here, it will be represented, the rational number or number line will be represented between that value and the next value. So in this example it is 2, so it will be represented between 2 and the next value is 3, because this rational number is, or this mixed fractional value is greater than 2 but less than 3, isn't it? So this will be represented between 2 and 3, right? Now we will follow the same process as we did in the previous one. We will have to divide it into different parts. How many parts will it be divided into? It will depend upon this denominator of the fractional part, right? So denominator is how much? 5. So we will have to divide this space into 5 parts, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Right, so where exactly between 2 and 3? What is the numerator? 2. So we will shift from 2 how many places? 1 2. So this is our 2 by 5. Why is it so? See, we are shifting from here to here. This is 1, then from here to here, which is 2, right? And then we are shifting, so we have already shifted 2, 1 2, this whole number part we have shifted. 0 to 1 is 1, 1 to 2 is 2. Next we need to shift between 2 and shift to 2 by 5. So this is the next shift. We have divided 2 and 3 into 5 parts and the numerator is 2, so 1 and 2, so 2 whole 2 by 5. So this is how we represent the rational number 12 by 5, because 2 by 5 is basically 12 by 5, right? So I know it is a bit confusing, but as we keep on solving it will become easier. Next, see, next is 21 by 9. So is it a positive rational number or a negative? It is a positive rational number. If it is a positive rational number, it will be represented on the right hand side of the 0. So first thing we know that. Next is 21 by 9. So what will we have to do? We will have to convert it into its mixed fraction type. So this will be what? 9 by 21 is 2, 3 by 9, isn't it? 2, 3 by 9. Now this also, see here the whole number is 2. So it will be represented between where? 2 and 3. It will be represented between 2 and 3 because this whole number is a number that is greater than 2 but less than 3. So it will be represented between 2 and 3. Now, in how many parts will we divide this space 2 and 3? In how many parts will we divide? We will divide it into 9 parts, because see, the denominator over here is 9. So let's start dividing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Right? So now where exactly in between all these parts? What is the numerator? It will depend upon the numerator. Numerator is 3. So from 2 we will shift 1, 2 and 3. So this third one, this is 2, 3 by 9, which is 21 by 9. Why is it here? Again, I'll show you. I'll shift it 1, I've shifted 2, and then because it is 3 by 9 along with 2, so I'll have to shift a little bit more. So how many? I've divided it into 9 parts, 3 out of 9. So 1, 2 and 3. So 2, 3 by 9, which is equal to 21 by 9. Yes. What is the next one? Next one is minus 4 by 3. Now is this a positive rational number or a negative rational number? This is a negative rational number, and it will hence be represented on the left hand side of the number line. Now first we will have to convert this into what? We will have to convert this into mixed fraction type. So this will be minus, keep the minus outside, minus 4 by 3. So this is minus 1 by 3, right? So 1 by 3. So this is basically minus 1 by 3. Now minus 1 by 3, where will this be represented? Will it be represented between minus 1 and the next 0? No. Why not? Because see, this is minus 1 and some more. So this is basically what? Minus 1, and along with it I have 1 by 3. So this is a little bit smaller than minus 1, right? So where does this falls? This falls between minus 1 is greater than minus 1 by 3, which is greater than minus 2. So this falls between minus 1 and minus 2. You will have to keep it in mind. In case of positive, it falls between, so in this case where did it fall? It fell between 2 and 3. But in negative, if it is minus 4 by 3, which is minus 1 by 3, it is less than minus 1. It is not greater than minus 1, because we know in negative numbers, greater the number, lesser is its value. So that means minus 1 by 3 is actually less than minus 1. So that means what? It will fall between minus 1 and minus 2, right? So minus 1 and minus 2. Now in how many parts will we divide it? We will divide it into how many parts? 3 parts, because the denominator is how much? 3. So 1, 2 and 3, right? Now how much out of 3? How many parts out of 3? 1. So I'll shift 1 part from minus 1, because it is minus 1 and along with it I have 1 by 3. So I was already at minus 1, so I'll shift 1 part, right? So this is my minus 1 by 3, which is minus 4 by 3, right? Okay, I will quickly solve the next one as well. Here it is already given in the mixed fraction part, so I don't have to convert. What is this? Minus 2 1 by 3. Now is minus 2 1 by 3 greater than minus 2? No. It is minus 2 1 by 3 is less than minus 2, because greater the negative number, lesser is its value. You have already learned it. So then where will it fall? Will it fall between minus 2 and minus 1? No, because this is not greater than minus 2. It will fall between minus 2 and minus 3, right? So minus 2 and minus 3. Now in how many parts we will have to divide? 3 parts as per given in the question. So 1, 2 and 3. I've divided it into 3 parts. So I was already at -2. How much do I have to shift? 1 part over here. So this will be -2 1/3. Alright, so I know this is confusing. I would ask you to keep practicing this again and again, these sums, and then I think your concept will be clear. Keep practicing and keep revising, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.